Guys, you are watching Wild Wildness, and guess where I am going today? Yes, today I am going to Jungle World Zoo, a U Park Jungle World Zoo. This is a zoo in Rawalpindi, which is very beautiful place, and we will show you some animals in the zoo. So my zoo video have come now. So this is the ticket, and we are going inside the entrance, and this is the entrance. This very beautiful place. Okay, now you can see there are some images of some animals: lion, tiger, coyote, and other kinds of animals. So you should see this is a trace of a tiger, and over here you can see that there are some artificial animals laid out over here. So we are inside the entrance of the mouth. So this is the entrance. Guys, now we are in the entrance, and what we have found over here. MashaAllah. MashaAllah, what a beautiful peacock, and it is full open its wings. What a beautiful, this is a peacock, and that's a peafowl. Those are peafowls over there, and that is a very beautiful peacock. What a beautiful animal it is. Now over here you can see there are white peacocks. White peacocks are especially they are like a hybrid animal, which is made usually, right? And here over here there's white peacocks, peafowls, and peacock. Okay, you will be thinking what is peafowl? So peafowl is peacock, female peacock, you can say. Now what we have here, a stork. This is a black string stork, Indian stork usually say. Oh, we have two over here. A pea, this is a stork, black stork. What a beautiful. Over here there are some peacocks also. What a big peacock is over there. And look, a peafowl over here. What a beautiful peafowl. Oh, peacock. What? So now there are some birds over here. This is a golden peasant. Look over here. This is a golden peasant. It's like a tiger. We can also say tiger bird. And over here, this is ring-necked peasants. Why they are called ring-necked? Because they are like ringed, like in their necks. So they are called ring-necked. Let me close them. Look, that is a beautiful animal. Okay, over here we have ring-necked peasants. Okay, this is ring-necked. That is something else. That is white chickens. The thing that is white chicken. But this is a peasant. This is a very beautiful peasant over here. What a beautiful colorations and culture it is. So it is a Kalaji peasant. So local, the black and white peasant. So this is a male one, and this is a female one, the brown one. Okay, this is a white one, yellow golden peasant. That is the yellow golden peasant over there. So this is a silver peasant. That is a very beautiful animal. Okay, Swinhoe peasants. Swinhoe peasants, yes, they are called Indian peasants too. Okay, this is also Swinhoe peasants. You can see that that's the female one. Okay, this one is a very beautiful animal. Vulturine Genua fowl. Look that. This is like a vulture and a Genua and a fowl. Look at sparrow. Okay, and this is also a peasant. This is a chicken shack. Chicken shacks are also a peasant. So, as we go forward, you can see there is a cage. Over here there are too many chickens, white chickens, partridges, and black turkeys, and chicors and white turkeys and other animals at the back. Guys, don't worry. Tiger is over here. Wait a second, a little blurry. And there it is. A white tiger. What a beautiful animal. My favorite animal. White tiger. I love you, tiger. I love tigers. Wow. Wow, that is a tiger. And over there, there is one more. There is a white tiger over there. So there are many packs over there. So I was going to show you. Okay. It is awake and he is listening my noises. I'm making some noises, so that's why it's listening. What a beautiful animal, man. I really love tigers. Tigers, yes, they are in Asia. You should see my tiger and species video. Yeah, that's great. That's man. I tigers. So you should see my tiger and species one video. Yes, love tigers. And look, this is a Bengal tiger. What makes tiger big is that strong as that? Because of its hunts alone is the biggest cat of the world, and they are like powerful, like they are owned by four every cat, and that one was what a beautiful man, wild, wild, and now birds, they are look. There's a huge cage of birds, of peacocks, peafowls, and storks, and partridges, peacocks, pigeons, and others. But what a beautiful cage is made. Look, there's one over here sitting right up there for the beautiful animal. So let's go. I'm showing you parrot. Okay. Over here there is a parrot. No man. And a peacock. What a beautiful peacock. And there are two peacocks over there. So I forgot to show you the info tag of tigers. So over here it is written in Urdu, but I will tell you and translate you in English. This is written tiger and its life, his habitats. So tigers, as I am telling you, is the biggest continent, Asia, and they are very beautiful animals. There are 37 tigers in India, and many animals like dogs are over here. Tigers are very biggest animals and one of the strongest too. As you see my top 10 apex predators video over there, I have shown you the video to Bifrost, the area, the apex predator third number. It is on third number, and what a beautiful animal it is. Now watch, this one is going to playing with that. So I think so. Wait a second. That up one, the up one is the male, and the downward is a female. So this is a very beautiful animal, and I love tiger, man. Look, this is wild. Now guys, what I can tell you, birds, everywhere there are birds. Look, there's a cockatoo. Yeah, cockatoo, man. What a beautiful bird, cockatoo. And look, the lovebirds. Yeah, lovebirds. And then there are green parakeets. There's a rose-winged parakeet. And one is sleeping. And these are lovebirds again. But these are the Australian lovebirds. You can also see Australian birds. And what is inside? Oh! Gold and blue macaw parrots. Oh, there's up there. You see that? Yeah, over there. So there's up there. What is doing? Oh, there are two of them. Yeah. but I cannot see. Oh! Ah! Oh, over there. They're hanging upside down. What a beautiful cow over there. Oh man. And there are green winged macaw parrots up there. Yeah, they're up there. You cannot see it because of the dark. No, over there. And this over here, there's nothing. And yes, they are parrots. What a beautiful! I am now skipping a parrot. Ah! Okay, and right one over there, and some pigeons over here. Guys, I'm in the next stage, and over here you can see that small face. Yes, that's a puma. Yes, pumas are also big cats, and they are the sixth or fifth big cats, as I know. So that's in one puma over there, but there are two, I think so, and they are inside because of the warm weather. This temperature, they are inside. They need some shelter. They need some air. So that's why they are inside. It's time for the real animal, lion. Wow, what a beautiful animal. Yes, lion. You are watching a male lion in front of me, and this is an African lion. As far as I can tell, this is a lioness sitting over here. That's a lion sitting over there. What a beautiful animal is over there. And yes, second biggest cat, and the fifth biggest apex predators, and also the wild of Africa have given them the world #1 apex predators. Yes, they are royal. This is the king. This is the king of the zoo. What a beautiful animal. You are watching the king, and this is wildness. And as you think that my logo is also made of loins, so yes, it is now the lioness have lied down. Because of the heat, they are lying down. So I am now very close to the lion, and yes, just in chill mood. What we say, and this lioness is also in chill mood. So yes, lion, tiger, birds. Yeah, I am showing birds, but wait, there are more animals over here. So I will showing you when I will be going back. Now the person is chasing the lion. Yes, the lion is coming near me. The lion is coming near me. This is the wild Africa, man. This is the lion. Oh, it is. He's just show me his teeth. Wow. He's entering inside. Yeah, that is the lion. In a goat farm. So you can see this is a goat over here. Yeah, I forgot to tell you, Bakra season trailer has been launched. Please press the bell icon so you can see the next episodes of Bakra special. I will be going in mini blog, and you will be thinking that the trailer has been released and why Basit in zoo. Yeah, this is a little thing. Okay, over here there are sheep, goats, and wow, what a beautiful animal it is. Okay, this is a lamb. Not a lamb, this is a hag. So, what a big herb it is, what a beautiful, look beautiful, and over here there's one over here. What a beautiful animal it is, and what is, this is my eyes are blown up. I see what is little bit I am coughing. There is a little lamp over there, but a cute lamp, and there are big sheep over there. What is that? So a goat in a lamp. I think this is a sheep. Yeah, this is a sheep. Sheep. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. Yes, it is a sheep, not a goat. Oh, there. Yes, neither. And this is dangerous a little bit because animals are allergic and are ill because of some diseases, and also because of coronavirus. goats and sheep and cattle are usually in the hands of coronavirus. Look how that sheep is walking. So guys, now they are all herbivores, and now I'll be showing you in fast because there is no much time, and now night is coming. So this is a white swallow deer. You can see this is an Indian deer because also say Indian deer, and these are very beautiful deer. And usually in Margula Hills we can find these here. Okay, let's go to the next cage. Let us show you emu. Okay, this is the emu cage, and this is an emu. Emu, yeah. What a beautiful animal, emu. It is like an ostrich, but this is an emu. And yeah, they have a DNA with ostrich. What a beautiful animal is this. Okay, there's one more emu over here, and then okay, look wow, how they're smiling. It's like they're smiling. What a beautiful animal. Okay, over here there are ostrich. Yes, this is the biggest ostrich I have seen. Look, why are you angry, man? Why are you angry? What a beautiful ostrich. Now I will show you the difference between ostrich and emu. Ostrich have 2 claws, but emus have 3 claws, and they are shorter in size, but ostrich are bigger in size. And if you want to see emu egg, yeah, it is green. Emu eggs are green. They are like alien ball. Oh, yeah, food. Let's go out. Let's go next. Some ducks, swans, and other birds, and they are pelicans. What a huge pelican is this! Pelicans, and they are black ducks and flamingos. Yeah, flamingos. Love it. I'm loving it. Let's go to the next cage. So you can see this is a spotted deer coming near me, and it is eating the fruits which are up in the ground. This is a spotted deer. Look, that is a spotted deer. Okay, that one the males. Males only have horn. Female do not have horn. So if you see a spotted deer with horns, it means it is a male. So over here you can see there are some wolves. Wow, these are golden wolves. What a beautiful wolves are these. And you can also say that Indian wolves. Wow, man, this is a wolves. This is a wild animal. Over here you can see this is a hog deer. What a beautiful hog deer it is, and I love this. Over here you can see there is a grandson monkeys. What a beautiful monkey it is, and this is from Africa, coastal lines of Africa, and we can find these animals in Asia, but in only in Saudi. There, and this one is a langoose. Okay, there is a big difference in between them. Okay, and over there, this is a Russell macaw. What a beautiful monkey I'm watching. So there over there's one more Russell macaw, and yes, these are monkeys. So guys, now I am outside from the zoo. Now I am outside from the zoo. So this is a museum, a U Park museum. This is a huge statue of a person hanging with a flag of Pakistan. Love Pakistan, man. And you can see there are some heavy weapons. What a beautiful weapons are there. And over there at the back, wait a second, that is a tank. So, love Pakistan, love wildlife, love wildlife of Pakistan, love wildlife. And wait a second, there is something. Yeah, there is a huge shooter gun over here, and there is a I think that is something like a guards are sinking. They are guards. They are actual like they have become fake guards, and there is a tank over here, and over there is a helicopter. So this is a beautiful, and there is one person experience. So Wild is here. Wild have come. We will see you on the next adventure.